Are you thinking about starting a new business or taking your business to the next level? One of the most crucial steps is about having a solid business plan. A well-written plan can help you secure funding, guide your business through operation, and help you measure success. But where do you start? That is where I come in. In this video, I am going to cover how to create a business plan, from understanding its importance to outlining key components such as an executive summary, market analysis, financial projections, all the information you need. And if you watch this entire video, I will tell you how to get a business plan inexpensively. So now let's get after it. A business plan is literally a roadmap to your success. And when done properly, it can really parlay your business to the next level. And this is why so many businesses fail, because they do not have a well-written, executed business plan outlining the goals, detailing the strategies on how to achieve those goals to really help you stay focused. As entrepreneurs, we sometimes have shiny object syndrome, where we are going looking for the next thing and the next thing instead of staying laser focused on our vision. And a well-detailed business plan is going to help you do that. The second thing you have to have in a business plan is you got to understand the components that really need to be in there and why they're so important. One of the most important components of a business plan is an executive summary. An executive summary is literally where you write out everything there is about you and why it's important. The reason why that's important is because when people are investing in your business, if you need to go get funding, part of what they're investing in is in you.
Yes, you.
So if you have an executive summary telling them about you, telling them about why you're passionate about your business, what you know about your business, that stuff becomes important. That's going to tell me whether or not I want to invest in your business or I don't want to invest in your business. You also want to do a market analysis. And a market analysis is where you got to go out there and you got to survey the market. Find out, is your service needed? Find out the appropriate pricing. You got to really see, is this business needed in this particular market? I know you guys have seen businesses open up and you go, what on earth were these people thinking? Or better yet, why they put certain businesses in certain neighborhoods. Market analysis are extremely important to even see if there is a buying market for what it is that you have to offer. And behind the market analysis, you need to do financial projections. And do not, under any circumstances, not handle your financial projections. Why do I say that? Because with financial projections, it's going to tell you the cost that you can potentially incur. It's going to tell you the expenditures that you need to do. Things like insurance that you may not have thought of. When you have your financial projections done, you then are going to know exactly how much revenue you need to have. So it's very important to understand the executive summary, the market analysis, and the financial projections. Third, understand the process of writing a business plan. Some of you really underestimate this and you don't want to spend the appropriate time doing it. Taking your time with this, doing it thorough, and not having ChatGPT do it for you. That's right, you do it. Actually get involved in it is really going to help you, because when you take the time to write out your business plan, you actually got to go conduct some market research. So for example, if you are trying to start a tax business, maybe you want to call other businesses and find out what they charge for their services. You actually have to put some work in to conduct that market research, and you want to write down your findings, because anybody that is going to invest in you, they would be silly to invest in you if you have not taken the time to invest in yourself and get the appropriate market research. Now, once you do that, the next thing you got to think about is how you're going to fund your business. I see business owners, I see them getting their businesses just about to take off, like an airplane on a runway. Like you speed up, and just as you're getting ready to take off, you can't. You know why? Because you don't have the proper funding, the proper working capital. And when I say working capital, that's terminology that you need to understand. That means enough cash available to you so that you can continue to get your business going. The worst thing that happens to business owners is literally when they are 3 feet from goal and then they have to put on the brakes. They have to stop because they don't have the working capital. So this is where you absolutely have to have the right plan in place to get the funding. And where is that funding going to come from? Are you thinking about going out, getting a loan from a bank? Are you thinking about getting people to invest in your business? How are you going to get that funding? Are you going to run up your credit cards? Are you going to pull money out of your retirement account? These are all considerations. But I am going to tell you right here, right now, do not do any of those things until you have that business plan dialed in, and you also have that business plan blessed by somebody that runs a business. That is so important. People that don't run businesses, I'm sorry, you're starting. You don't have the experience of experienced business owners, and most business owners learn by failure. So what you can do as a business owner, you can learn by other business owners' failures by getting someone who's in business to bless your business plan. That is why my number one secret for getting serious with your business and getting a business plan inexpensively is to literally go to an organization called SCORE, SCORE. SCORE stands for the Service Corp of Retired Executives. These are people that have ran major companies. They are now retired and they work for the nonprofit SCORE. What they will do, they will sit down with you. They will help you put together your business plan. They will make sure it's detailed, just as if you were a Fortune 500 company, a Google, a Amazon, because they know they are retired executives, retired CEOs, retired chief financial officers, people who have walked the walk and talked the talk. So making sure that you use SCORE, and typically their services are free. You heard me. Carla said free, and they're the most experienced individuals. Utilize these types of services to help you with your business plan. And trust me, when you do, you'll be glad you did, because they help aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners all day long, and they get government funding to help you out for free. So I want you to check it out. And here's the other thing. When you know better, you absolutely have to do better. That is why I want you to like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you updated on all things business and tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called Taxpro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, Taxpro Grow could potentially be your answer, because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about Taxpro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of Taxpro Grow, because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link. And when you do, you're going to learn everything that you need to know. You're going to learn how to offer the service. You're going to learn how to sell a client. You're going to learn how to do marketing. And here's the other great thing. You will even get leads, because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer, because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the Taxpro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.